Hey there, welcome back to another Sunday range day. This Sunday we're doing the initial thoughts review of the BC9 Bufferless. Yeah, she is back. Yeah, I think you might have seen some unboxing videos. If not, they'll be linked below. And we have added an MCS adapter, so we could use a standard tube on this. That way at least I can shoulder it for this. But we're going to try it out on some paper and see what kind of grouping it gives. But first, and always first, we're going to show you that chamber is empty and there's not even a magazine in this rifle. It's perfectly clear, so it's safe. No ammunition here. So yeah, I just threw some cheap sights on it for now just to see what it will do on paper, and we'll share the experience with you guys, and we'll have some fun today putting some rounds to this. We'll run some of that 100 grain frangible mead. It seems to be doing good in most everything, so we'll see what it does in this Bufferless. All right, we've got 10 rounds loaded up here in the BC9 Bufferless from Bear Creek Arsenal. Let's fire open sight at the target just to get a general idea of where the grouping is going. And we'll send 10 rounds here and see what we got. All right, range is going hot. Got my ears, my eyes on, and here we go. Get myself situated. And here we go. I do believe that was all 10. Yep. All right. 10 rounds. Mag's empty, chamber's empty. Let's check our target out. All right, there we are. Pretty darn good grouping concentration. I seen it through the open sight. They were all hitting there, and I added a little bit of Kentucky windage on the last two. But that is an excellent grouping with open sights. 25. Let's stick a new target and try one more type of ammunition, and we will get into some fun stuff. All right, this go around, we're going to try some of the Federal. It's just 124 grain, and these are full metal jackets. So see what kind of grouping this will give us out of the Bufferless BC9 at the target. So we are charging now. Gun is hot. I've got 10 rounds loaded up, and we'll put them all into the orange, hopefully, and see what kind of grouping we get out of the lead full metal jacket. All right, I do believe that was, yep, that was all 10. So we are clear, the mag's clear, the chamber's empty. Let's check it out. Excellent, excellent grouping. It's a little bit looser than the mead, but still a good grouping out of that for that distance. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and dive into this and have some fun. What y'all came for. We got a can of mystery here, and we'll see what we can do with that. All right, I've got 2 rounds of the mead 100 grain frangible loaded up. Let's see if we can peg that can of mystery out there. And here we go. It's a lot smaller through these sights, I'll tell you that. In 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh, what a mess. Wow. Okay, let's make the gun clear and we'll check our target out. Well, we hit it, that's for sure. Let's see what it did to the can. Not making even more of a mess. Oh wow, look there. Just right offside of that black on that bullseye. Pretty good. And that mead clearly went straight through it. Look at that. Wow. All right, we've got another one here. Mr. Crazy Face. And that appears to be outdated baked beans. So let's see if we can knock him off there. All right, one round is loaded in here of that mead 100 grain frangible. Let's see if we can knock him off there. And yeah, make a good boom for you guys. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Wow. Okay, chamber's clear, magazine's empty, safety's on. Let's check it out. Yeah, I think we hit that one. What do y'all think? We effectively opened that can of beans. Look at that. That was disgusting. Let's hit him right in the eye, right in the corner of the inside, right there. But yeah, it
like he was looking at where he's going to
went straight through, didn't it? Yeah, he knew, didn't he? All right, we got 10 rounds of the mead frangible loaded up here, and we got a spinner out there almost 20 yards or so. Let's see what I can do standing with these sights on that spinner. Should be pretty accurate. There we go. Ah, never enough ammo, is there? All right, the rifle's clear. There's nothing in the chamber, nothing in the target, and we'll check out that spinner. Hey, look there, look there, look there. More than pleased, more than pleased. Tried to hit the top one a time or so, but I wasn't quick enough on its spinning rotations with that. But it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One miss there. 7. So I've been 10. Three misses, unless we hit one twice. Well, I don't know. You could probably about count that one. I don't know. Either way, good gripping, good shot placement, and I am loving that bufferless 9. That is so smooth. And in comparison to that, the regular BC9 that I have, it seems to be, to me, a little bit smoother. I don't know, but maybe it's me. There we have it, guys. That was the BC9 Bufferless. Yes, Bufferless. But like I said in the beginning of the video, we did put the adapter on it so we could shoulder it today. But yeah, those cheap sights, I might just leave those on it. It seemed to work pretty well. And as for safety, we'll show you that the rifle is clear. There's nothing in that magazine, and the chamber is clear. Yeah, so it's safe for handling now. But yeah, I'm really liking the bufferless model. I was very curious about that, and we'll eventually do a side by side comparison because we've got the BC9, the regular model, buffered, and put these side by side one day, and just give you my opinion and thoughts of what I've noticed is different. recoil, stuff like that. But in the meantime, guys, this is a great option, I have to say, from Bear Creek Arsenal. And pretty versatile, too, the way you can change your stock and all that. I'm really digging that. But we appreciate, as usual, our channel sponsor, Bear Creek Arsenal, for sending this out for a review, and hope you all have enjoyed it. And we've had some fun. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think about this, you know, bufferless type deal. What do you all think about that? And we'll have some pictures at the end. In the meantime, you all take care, and we will catch you on the next video. More to come out of this awesome rifle.